Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, this is Cheryl. I live on an island in Alaska, and I just wanted to pop on here for a few minutes and chat, and so I'm just kind of hanging here waiting for someone to pop on. Blue here, I'm on, and well, welcome, thanks for getting on. I'm just on here for a few minutes today, and I just wanted to say happy September. What an awesome month. We got a brand new month, a brand new fun, new things going to be going on, and I'm looking forward to leveling up, and I expect fresh new miracles and more blessings. And you know, I don't know what those new things are, really, I just don't. But I'm going to be so happy when I find out the surprise of it all, right? I'm excited to learn that, the surprise of new things, wonderful, fun things coming, new month. And I just want to say hey to my Facebook friends and wish you a wonderful September, you know, and I just enjoy this. Hey, how you doing? So happy you're on. Thanks for saying hey. Just tell me where you're tuning in from. And if you missed the live, though, you don't see the live button. If you missed the live, just put hashtag replay and let me know where you're tuning in from too. Would just love to know. You know, hi Ian, I think I'm saying that well, right? Welcome. This is Cheryl from Alaska on a little island, and I just wanted to pop in. Actually, my rainforest is behind me. I just so enjoy that. And wish everybody a happy, wonderful September. And how excited I am for this month, all the new things that are coming and all that's going on in my life. I just wanted to say hey to you guys, and thanks for joining me. I really appreciate. Oh, you're from Washington. Oh, nice. A harbor. Oh, cool. Daniel, that's awesome. Because we have a harbor here too as well. I love harbors. They're wonderful. Well, that's exciting. Yeah, I've flown in there a few times in Washington, so seen some of that. That's beautiful. Harbors are beautiful. So appreciate you getting on. I really am thankful for that so much. And actually, at the end of this month, I'll be going to Florida. So you can imagine going from Alaska to Florida. It's going to be a big change, right? It's going to be a big jump. It's going to be a ton of fun because my mom's having her 90th birthday, and I'm really excited about being there and being part of this big birthday bash for her. And it's going to be a lot of fun, so I'm really happy. Oh, thank you. Yes, I'm so blessed. I am thankful. This rainforest I live right in is so beautiful. And behind us are the mountains, and the inlet or the harbor as well. Now, usually there are ships, cruise ships that come in, but not this summer particularly. But oh, thank you, Daniel. Appreciate that so much. Yeah, it's a big one. So true, and I'm so pumped about being able to go down there and be there with her for a month. It's going to be so wonderful, and I'm very excited. And so I just wanted to be on here and just say hey to you guys. I'm just so excited to do that. And also, I wanted to tell you a little story because it's so cute and it's such a blessing. One of the blessings that I found out about yesterday. All the more blessings I expect to come. This is the first one I wanted to tell you about since yesterday, and it's exciting. I wanted to tell you about my little granddaughter, Yaya. She just got enrolled in dance class, okay? And the beautiful thing about that is she is such a passionate little girl. And so it's amazing because she is practicing and wanted to practice and work hard before her first lesson. Now you're thinking, well, what would she have to practice, right? Well, what would she have to do before her first class? I mean, what would that look, what is she doing? And the incredible beauty of it is the fact that she took her uniform that she had, that she was going to be wearing to class, and she's 3. So it is a good idea to practice this, but she practiced putting her uniform on and off so she would get that part down, so she would know how to put her stuff on, all the things that these little girls have to go to dance class. It's quite the incredible uniform, you know, all of that. And she would put them on and take them off and put them on and take them off every day until her dance class. I mean, it was so incredible to hear this. I mean, isn't that just incredibly awesome that she would do this? She would prepare. I mean, that is amazing to me. This little 3-year-old girl, and then she went to class, and I talked to her yesterday, and she just like loves her teacher. So passionate, so happy, made me so happy, with full of joy. And I'm just thankful, so thankful for such a blessing as that. My 3-year-old granddaughter is so on fire for her little dance class, and she practiced best way she know how before dance. And it's such a good example to me, such a good example for her siblings and everybody, that she was so passionate about that she took that serious. I mean, really serious. So it's a really good lesson for all of us, and I just wanted to share that with you too, and just say bless you guys for your month of September, and I hope you have wonderful, amazing blessings and miracles going on in your life too. And I'm excited about the ones I'm going to have, and I just want to wish you the best of the day here, this beautiful day, first day of September. Wow, so blessed. So thank you for joining me, and if you join later, be sure and do #replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I appreciate Daniel getting on, and thanks for watching. So bye from Alaska.